What if you could work toward adding an extra paycheck every month, without quitting your job, without going back to school, and without working yourself into the ground? Not your whole salary, not overnight, just 20%. For professionals earning between $60,000 and $90,000 a year, that's roughly $12,000 to $18,000 in additional income annually. Broken down, that's about $1,000 to $1,500 a month. And in 2026, with the right tools and consistent effort, that kind of target is within reach for many people, even with just a few hours a week. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a realistic step-by-step approach, month by month, using practical, low-cost tools that busy professionals are actually using right now. Stay to the end because the last section pulls everything together into a 12-month action plan you can actually follow. Before we go any further, here's a quick heads up. This is educational content only, not financial advice. The income figures I share throughout this video are market examples and illustrations to help you understand the concepts. They are not guarantees of what you will earn. Results vary based on your effort, skills, experience, market conditions, and timing. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. Now let's get into it. Here's something nobody at your job will ever tell you. A single income source, no matter how stable it feels, is one of the higher risk financial positions you can be in. One layoff, one restructuring, one bad quarter, and everything you've built your life around is suddenly in question. And yet, most professionals spend 100% of their working hours protecting that one income stream while doing very little to build a second one. Here's what has changed. A few years ago, building a side income required a lot of time, upfront capital, or a highly specialized skill set. In 2026, artificial intelligence tools have significantly lowered some of those barriers. According to various industry reports, demand for artificial intelligence-related freelance skills has grown sharply, with some platforms reporting average hourly rates for artificial intelligence-assisted services in the $40 to $50 range, though this varies widely by skill level and niche. The point isn't that it's easy, the point is that the tools available now make it more accessible than it's ever been, if you have a clear plan. Which is exactly what this video is. Now, a lot of content out there tells you to quit your job, replace your full salary, and move to a beach. That's not what this is about. 20% is a strategic, realistic first target. And here's why. It's approachable without burnout. You're not replacing your livelihood overnight. It doesn't require you to quit your job or take on major financial risk. It creates a real financial buffer, so one bad month doesn't become a crisis. And it builds a repeatable system. Once you've built the process for 20%, scaling further becomes a known path, not a mystery. For someone earning $75,000 a year, 20% is $15,000 annually, roughly $1,250 a month. Based on the time investment many freelancers report, around 5 to 10 hours per week, that kind of target has been achieved by professionals using the right approach. Whether it's achievable for you depends on your skills, consistency, and the path you choose. Think of this as building your first income layer, not your last. Let's talk about the 3 income paths that actually work for busy professionals. Based on what's gaining traction in the 2026, here are 3 paths that tend to fit the schedules and skill sets of people who already have full-time jobs. The first path is artificial intelligence-powered services. And it's the fastest path to your first income. The idea is simple. You use artificial intelligence tools to deliver a service that businesses already pay for, and the artificial intelligence helps you do it faster and more efficiently. Here are 4 services with solid market demand right now. First, artificial intelligence content creation for small businesses, writing social posts, newsletters, and ad copy using tools like ChatGPT and Canva artificial intelligence. Market rates vary widely, but some freelancers in this space report earning between $300 and $2,000 per month per client, depending on scope and client size. Second, resume and LinkedIn profile optimization, helping job seekers with artificial intelligence-assisted, applicant tracking system-friendly documents. Rates commonly range from $40 to $150 per engagement. Third, artificial intelligence chatbot setup for local businesses, building simple customer service, or lead generation bots. Specialists in this area report hourly rates averaging around $95, though this varies by market and experience. And fourth, podcast editing and content repurposing. Using tools like Descript and Opus Clip to turn long-form content into short clips. Retainer rates in this space often fall between $200 and $1,200 per month per client. You don't need to offer all of these. Pick one, get your first 2 clients. For many people, that alone is enough to get close to a 20% income target, though your results will depend on your skills, your market, and your effort. The second path is digital products, and it offers the best long-term leverage. If services trade time for money, digital products change that equation. You create something once, a template, a guide, a mini course, a Notion system, a printable, and it can continue selling after the initial work is done. That said, passive is a bit of a myth here. Building an audience, optimizing listings, and maintaining your products takes ongoing effort, especially early on. In 2026, artificial intelligence tools make creating digital products significantly faster. You can use ChatGPT to draft and outline content, Canva artificial intelligence to design it, and platforms like Gumroad, Standstore, or Etsy to sell it with minimal overhead. Earning potential here varies considerably. Some Etsy digital product sellers report $300 to $2,000 or more per month once their listings are optimized and driving traffic. But many others earn far less, particularly in the early stages. Here's the key insight worth holding on to. Your 9-to-5 expertise is a product waiting to be packaged. If you work in finance, human resources, marketing, or operations, you already have knowledge that others would genuinely pay for. If this resonates with you, subscribe to Income Stack Lab. We break down practical income stack systems like this every week. The third path is artificial intelligence automation consulting, and it has the highest hourly rate potential. This path is for professionals willing to invest in a slightly higher skill learning curve in exchange for a higher potential hourly rate. Artificial intelligence automation consulting, helping businesses streamline repetitive tasks using tools like Make and Zapier, is a growing field. Some consultants in this space report earning $100 to $150 or more per hour, though rates depend heavily on experience, client type, and scope of work. The demand is real. Most small and mid-sized businesses understand they need to automate. They just don't know where to start. If you can walk a business owner through how to save 5 to 10 hours a week using simple artificial intelligence workflows, that's a genuinely valuable service. The learning curve is lower than most people assume. Make and Zapier both have free tiers, visual drag and drop interfaces, and extensive tutorial libraries. For many people, a few focused weekends of learning is enough to reach a beginner billable skill level. Though becoming proficient enough to command premium rates takes more time and real client experience. Now let's talk about the 12-month roadmap. A realistic framework for how this journey could unfold. Months 1 through 3 are about foundation and earning your first dollar. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one income path. Learn the core tools. Set up a profile on Upwork or LinkedIn. Publish your offer. Your goal in this phase isn't to hit $1,250 a month. It's to earn your first dollar and prove the model works for you specifically. Most people never start because they're waiting to feel ready. Clarity comes from doing, not from extended planning. Months 4 through 6 are about refining and reaching 50% of your target. By now you have real feedback. You know what's working. This phase is about refining your offer, improving delivery, and building consistency. If your 20% target is $1,250 a month, a realistic milestone here might be reaching $600 to $700 per month by month 6, though this will vary based on your path and effort. This is also when you start building systems. Use artificial intelligence to handle intake, client communication, and content output where possible. Every hour you reclaim through smart automation is an hour you can reinvest. Months 7 through 9 are where momentum builds. You have clients or customers. You have a process. Now the focus is on volume, more outreach, more content, more product listings, more referrals. If you're on the services path, aim for retainer arrangements. Monthly recurring work is far more stable than one-off projects. If you're on digital products, optimize your listings, expand your catalog, and start driving consistent traffic. And by months 10 through 12, you should be approaching or hitting your 20% target consistently, if you've stayed on track. The work now shifts from building to optimizing. Automate what you can, document your processes. And here's the mindset shift that matters most. You now have proof that this works for you. The question changes from, can I do this? To, how do I build the next layer? Before we wrap up, let's cover the 4 most common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Trying to do too many things at once. Pick one path, one income stream, one audience. Complexity kills momentum when you're already working full-time. Mistake 2. Expecting money in week 1. Most people quit in months 2 or 3 because they haven't seen results yet. The timeline is real. It takes time to build. Month 1 rarely pays you. Month 6 is where traction typically starts to show, but even that isn't guaranteed. Mistake 3. Underpricing your skills. Professionals often undervalue what they know. Use market rates as your pricing anchor, not your self-doubt. Look at what others are charging on Upwork for comparable services and price yourself accordingly. Mistake 4. Building without automating. If you're doing everything manually, you'll hit a wall fast. Artificial intelligence tools are designed to multiply your output without multiplying your hours. Bring them in from the start, not as an afterthought. Here's what I want you to really sit with for a moment. Most professionals spend years thinking about financial flexibility, and then go right back to their inbox on Monday morning, waiting for something to change on its own. The people who actually build income stacks aren't smarter. They're not working 80-hour weeks. They just decided to run one small experiment, one path, a few hours a week, real tools. And they kept going past the point where most people quit. 20% of your salary isn't life-changing on its own, but it's a foundation. And foundations don't disappear when the economy shifts, when companies downsize, or when life throws something unexpected at you. That's the whole point of an income stack. Quick note on the tools I'm about to mention. Some links in the description may be affiliate links, meaning we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only mention tools I genuinely think are worth your time. Here are the tools that consistently show up in what's working for busy professionals right now. ChatGPT or Claude for content creation, client communication, and product drafting. Canva artificial intelligence for design, digital products, social content, and client deliverables. Descript or Opus Clip for audio and video editing and repurposing. Make or Zapier for workflow automation for services and internal processes. Gumroad or Standstore for selling digital products with minimal overhead. And Upwork or LinkedIn for finding your first service clients. Most of these have free tiers, so your startup costs can be very low, especially in the early stages. That said, investing time in learning each tool is a real cost, even if the dollar amount is small. Factor that in. Let me leave you with this. You don't need a business plan. You don't need a website. You don't need to quit your job. You need one path, a few reliable tools, and 12 months of consistent small action. The 20% target isn't a fantasy income number. It's a first layer, a realistic, buildable first layer. And once you've built it, everything changes about how you see your financial life. The professionals who are building financial resilience in 2026 aren't the ones with the biggest salaries. They're the ones with the most diversified income systems. That's what we build here. Income stacks, not income dreams. If this video gave you something useful, subscribe to Income Stack Lab. We break down practical income systems for busy professionals every week. No hype, no get-rich-quick noise. Just real tools, real strategies, and honest talk. Hit the like button if this helped. It genuinely helps more people find this content. And drop a comment below. Which of the 3 income paths resonates most with you right now? I read every single one. All links to the tools mentioned in this video are in the description below. Some of those links may be affiliate links, meaning we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That's what keeps this lab running and the content free. Thanks for watching. Go start that first experiment, and I'll see you in another video.